We are one, came to fight us. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand together. Put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand.
Oh, hello there, my lovely stallions. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. So today's video is a faith-themed video, and it's about why it's important for us to just wait on God and let Him do His thing. So based off of experience, I feel like it's super important that we practice waiting on God because He ultimately knows what's best for us. He ultimately knows everything about our lives. He's already planned out our lives and He knows what's best for us. He knows us better than we know ourselves. And a lot of the time when He does things, He does them at His own time because He knows what's really in our hearts. He knows when we are ready. And sometimes you just might not be ready for that thing that you really want. Let's say you are praying right now for, an amazing relationship and you're waiting for that special someone to come into your life and you're becoming super impatient. And next thing you are running off to the next person and just jumping into a relationship with them simply because you think you're ready, and then something goes wrong along the way, right? Something goes wrong and you start wondering, why is this happening? Maybe it's just because you rushed into things and you decided to take your own route and use your own timing and not just wait and let God lead you. A lot of the times we make those mistakes because we refuse to just be patient. We refuse to be patient and let God work in us and work through us. We refuse to let Him prepare us. And I've realized that sometimes we find ourselves praying for things and, praying and believing God for things, being like, God, I thank you for this, and I'm also praying that you give me this. I'm praying for all these opportunities. I'm praying for yada, yada, yada. I'm believing you for this, let your will be done. And then in that same breath, we go on and we decide to now take over the wheel after giving the car to Jesus. We're like constantly just telling Him, oh no, remember to indicate. Oh, remember, go the brakes. Oh, change the gears. Oh, this. Now we want things to be done in our own way. And then things fail. Why? Because we now want to be God over God. And that doesn't work. It doesn't work. Nobody's greater than Him. Nobody knows what's best for you better than He does. It might not come at the time that you want it to come, but it will come. And if it doesn't come, then it wasn't meant for you. But something better will come. God knows your heart's desires, and He will do whatever it is that He feels is right for you. He's not going to take things away from you that are beneficial to your journey in life. He's not going to do that. He knows what He's doing, and we just need to trust Him and just wait on Him. We have to wait on Him. Waiting on God is extremely tied to having faith. If you don't have faith and you doubt, that's when you jump into things, and then you get yourself hurt, you get burnt because you were just too impatient and you just did not believe in God enough. Sometimes you need to just step back and just listen, say your prayer, take a moment and listen and let Him guide you. That's why it's super, super important to develop an intimate relationship with God, because you won't be able to hear Him and actually, understand Him if you don't have that relationship with Him. You won't be able to hear Him and be able to decipher whether it's God speaking or the enemy speaking, unless you have that intimate personal relationship with God. So it's important that you develop that relationship with God in order for you to be able to strengthen your faith in Him, and in order for you to be able to hear Him when He's telling you to do things, and when He's telling you, okay, now my child, it's time for you to do this. Whatever it is that you want, God knows. He knows it before you even ask for it. He knows it even before you ask for it, and He's already preparing it for you. If He feels that it's right, He will bring it forth and it will come to pass. So you just need to be patient. We all just need to be patient. Patience is something that we all just need to practice. I myself need to practice to be patient, not just when it comes to my faith, but patient just in general. And yeah, that's just something that I felt it in my heart for me to share this with you guys, to just encourage you that just wait, relax, calm down. This whole thing of life is too short, yada yada yada, just take that out of your mind. Take that out of your mind, because you're just going to stress yourself out over this whole life is too short thing. Just wait, and let God do a great work in you. Let him do his thing. He knows what he's doing. How are you gonna tell God what to do? Are you for real? I mean, let me tell you something. If you try to tell God what to do, I'm sorry to burst your bubble. You are just going to be very disappointed, my dear. You are going to be very disappointed. Just let him do his thing. Enjoy your life. Just be faithful in your walk with him. And just, let him do his thing. And he will surprise you. He will surprise you. He will overwhelm you with blessings, an abundance of blessings, if you just wait and have faith in him. Have faith that he will bring that thing that you want, that he will bring forth those desires, your greatest desires. He will bring them to you if he feels they are right at his time. That's the most important thing to remember. He will bring those things that you want, those things that are for you at his own time, at the right time, when you are ready. You don't want to be in a position where now you get into this, desirable situation, the situation that you really wanted, or you are given this blessing when you're not ready. You cannot expect God to bless you with a car when you don't have a license. You're not going to be able to drive that car. You cannot expect God to bless you with a relationship, to love someone else, when you don't love yourself enough, when you are not ready to be in a relationship. You might think you're ready. But maybe you're not. Maybe God feels like he needs to do something more for you. Maybe not for you, but maybe for the person that he is bringing to you, the person that he has made for you. Sometimes it's not because you are, there's something wrong with you or anything like that. Maybe even the person that is supposed to come is also being prepared themselves for you. Maybe that opportunity, is you're not yet ready. You're still being groomed. Maybe he's still grooming you. He's still grooming you before he can give you this blessing, before he can trust you with this blessing. He wants to be sure that you will not be overwhelmed, that you will be able to handle things. So just be patient and have faith and enjoy your life. Don't stress over the little things. Don't stress over it. Just enjoy your life. Have faith that he's got your back, that he's going to make things work out for you, and just watch as he does wonders in your life. Alright, so I'm going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. What are your views and thoughts on this subject or this topic. Also, you can leave your suggestions in the description box. Not in the description box, in the comments section. You can leave your suggestions there if you want me to talk about anything in particular. And also subscribe if you haven't already, and join this amazing Stallion Nation. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.